Hello, my name is Sali Caselli. The following is a comprehensive tutorial on using Microsoft Teams. This concepts-based tutorial is ideal for employee training or those who want to become proficient in using Microsoft Teams in the workplace. To make the most out of this tutorial, consider following along. Let's first briefly go over key components of Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a platform that incorporates a variety of tools for effective collaboration. This includes the Teams and Channels component. Think of this as a virtual space or sandbox for teams to collaborate. Next is the Chat module, which enables individuals to chat instantly with others within Teams or other teams across the organization. Then we have the Meetings module, which is tightly integrated into scheduling such as Microsoft Outlook and includes tools for video conferencing, screen sharing, and meeting recordings. For organizations that have integrated calling services, Teams also includes a core module for making and managing calls and the related tasks. Additionally, Teams enables users to expand its functionality by adding a variety of applications and services as needed. In addition to all of this, it incorporates familiar applications such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and OneDrive, all of these in one place to enable the teams to collaborate effectively to increase productivity. So stay tuned as we will next get started using Teams.